Today we are going to study lecture number 17, heterosis breeding. What is heterosis breeding? So heterosis, definition of is heterosis is referred to the superiority of F1 generation or F1 hybrid for one or more characters than both the parents. So heterosis refers to the superiority of F1 generation in one or more characters over both the parents. Means to develop a new variety, we have to cross male parent and female parent, which are having difference for several characters. So parents means two varieties which are having different characters are crossed with each other to form a new variety which is called as hybrid, and this variety have the desirable characters from both the parents, male and female parents. So desirable characters from male parent and female parent comes in the hybrid, which is F1 generation, and all the characters of male and female which are desirable and good, they come in the F1 generation. And this F1 generation having the characters of desirable characters of male and female will have a heterosis, means it will have a hybrid vigor, means both desirable characters from both the parent will make increase in quality, then in yield, in vigorous growth of that variety. So all the characters of F1 generation are better than male and female parents, and this betterment or increase in all desirable characters is called as heterosis. So F1 hybrid, F1 generation, which is formed by the cross of male and female parents which are having different characters, so that F1 generation will have increase in all desirable characters, and this increase is called as heterosis. It is also called as hybrid vigor. So F1 hybrid is formed by crossing two different varieties having different characters, and this F1 is hybrid, and it will have all dominant desirable genes from both the parents, and so characters from both the parents are introduced in the hybrid variety. So all characters unitedly give the hybrid vigor or increase in quality, yield and height and vegetative increase of the crop variety. So vegetatively also hybrid crop grows more. So there are two different aspects in hybrid vigor or heterosis. So one is heterosis, means crop is good and it has the increase in terms of yield, quality and adaptability. Means increase in yield, quality and adaptability means it is heterosis. But in some crops, if there is increase in vegetative growth, vegetative parts of the plant increases in size, and it is called luxuriance. Means when there is only vegetative increase in the crop, then it is called as luxuriance. So difference between heterosis and luxuriance means luxuriance is increase in vegetative growth of the plant, and heterosis means it increases all different characters such as yield, quality, adaptability. So heterosis is beneficial to the human beings. Heterosis, we have to increase our crop yield, quality and its adaptability over larger area. So this increase is important and it is called as heterosis. So scientist Shell in 1940 used the term heterosis for first time. He made many experiments to show the heterosis in different crops, and he gave the name heterosis for increase in yield, quality and adaptability. So this scientist found that when two different varieties having different characters are crossed with each other, then generation which is formed by the cross of these two parents, one variety he treated as male parent and one variety is treated as female parent. And when first generation is formed, that he found that in first generation good characters, desirable characters and dominant genes from both the parents will come in F1 generation, and dominant genes will express its character. So dominant genes for all the characters are expressed in F1 generation, and recessive alleles will not express. And so all dominant genes which come in F1 generation will have a hybrid vigor, and heterosis is shown in F1 generation. But when we use the seed of F1 generation to form F2 generation, then all these dominant genes of different characters go randomly in different individuals after segregation. So these dominant genes segregate differently and randomly in different individuals, because in meiosis all these dominant genes get scattered during meiosis in different chromosomes, and then F3, F2 generation, F3 generations which are formed, they will have these characters are scattered in different individuals. So hybrid vigor or heterosis is for only F1 generation. And how these characters, dominant characters, come in F1 generation? So two parents, they are crossed, which are having different characters with each other, and these parents must be genetically pure. Genetically pure means A So this parent is having two characters which are dominant, A and B. Then this other parent is having different character, that is C and D, which are desirable and good. And these two parents are genetically pure, means all the alleles of different genes must be genetically pure, means they must be dominant or recessive. If all the genes are genetically pure, means they must be dominant or recessive. Here, both A are recessive, both are small a, means both are recessive. B means it is small b means it is recessive. Then C and D, they are capital, means both the alleles of single character are dominant. In this parent A and D, all alleles are dominant. C and D, all alleles are recessive. Means each gene must have similar recessive or dominant alleles. All the genes must have recessive alleles or dominant alleles. Then only parent is genetically pure. If one gene is smaller and other one allele is smaller and other is capital, then this is not genetically pure. This is not genetically pure. So, definition of hybrid is, हायब्रिड जातीचं डेफिनेशन काय आहे? जेव्हा दोन वेगवेगळ्या गुणधर्माच्या जाती ज्या आनुवंशिकदृष्ट्या 100% शुद्ध आहेत, अशा दोन जातीचा ज्या वेळेस आपण संकर करतो, त्यावेळेस जो तयार होणारी पिढी आहे त्याला आपण हायब्रिड म्हणतो. तयार होणारी पिढी ही हायब्रिड आहे. सो हायब्रिड व्हरायटी, डिफाइन हायब्रिड व्हरायटी, when two varieties of a crop, when they are 100% genetically pure, when they are crossed, then we get hybrid variety. दोन कोणत्याही पिकाच्या दोन वेगळ्या गुणधर्माच्या जाती ज्या आनुवंशिकदृष्ट्या 100% शुद्ध आहेत, अशा जातीचा संकर केल्यानंतर तयार होणारी जात याला आपण हायब्रिड म्हणायचं. तर हायब्रिड म्हणजे काय कळालं? आणि हायब्रिडच्या जातीमध्ये संकर जोम असतो. हायब्रिड बिगर म्हणजे संकर जोम म्हणजे दोन्ही व्हरायटीपेक्षा याचं उत्पादन आणि अडॅप्टेबिलिटी जास्त प्रमाणात असते. तर एकच अट आहे हायब्रिड जात तयार करण्यासाठी की दोन्ही वेगवेगळ्या गुणधर्माच्या जाती ह्या 100% शुद्ध असल्या पाहिजे. तर सायंटिस्ट शेल made experiments on different crops regarding heterosis, and he found that heterosis means hybrid vigor, and when two varieties of different crops which are 100% genetically pure are crossed with each other, then we get a hybrid variety, and this hybrid variety has hybrid vigor. The character hybrid vigor means different characters regarding adaptability, yield and quality are good than both the parents. So hybrid heterosis is superiority of F1 generation over both the parents. Heterosis is superiority of F1 hybrid over for one or more characters over both the parents. म्हणजे जे मेल आणि फिमेल जात आपण वापरतो त्याच्यापेक्षा याची गुणधर्म जास्त चांगले असतात. So there are some characters or features of heterosis. So there are 8 features, 8 characters. How heterosis behaves, or what are the characters or what are the features of heterosis. So these are characters of heterosis. These are features of heterosis. First is superiority over parents. Means heterosis, when we obtain heterosis in hybrid variety, then this heterosis or hybrid is superior over both the parents in different characters. And these characters come from both the male and female parents, which are having their own different characters. Then second is F1 generation will have hybrid vigor or heterosis. Heterosis is limited for only F1 generation, because when seed of F1 generation is used, then characters which are introduced in F1 generation, they get segregated in randomly in different individuals of F2 and F3 generations. F1 generation मध्ये दोन्ही पेरेंट्स कडून जे गुणधर्म एकत्रित झाले ते गुणधर्म त्याच्या पुढच्या 2-3 पिढ्यांमध्ये कोणत्याही इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये ते गुणधर्म वेगवेगळ्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये जातात. दुसऱ्या आणि तिसऱ्या पिढीच्या वेगवेगळ्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये हे गुणधर्म एकत्रित न राहता वेगवेगळ्या इंडिव्हिज्युअल मध्ये हे गुणधर्म जातात आणि त्याच्यामुळे आनुवंशिक शुद्धता कायम टिकून पुढच्या पिढ्यांसाठी राहत नाही. तर म्हणून हेटेरोसिस हे फक्त F1 जनरेशन साठीच आहे. तिसरं जेनेटिक कंट्रोल. Heterosis is transferred in next generation by nuclear genes, means genes which are present on chromosome. This will carry or genes will bring heterosis in F1 generation. In some cases, heterosis is due to the interaction of both nuclear genes and cytoplasmic genes. In some cases, it is the interaction of nuclear and cytoplasmic genes. But generally, nuclear genes will bring the heterosis in F1 generation. Then, fourth character is when once heterosis is produced and when it is identified, then it is reproducible. Heterosis can be produced again and again. So we have to bring heterosis, form heterosis, and we have to identify it, and then we can reproduce the heterosis. Then heterosis is associated with specific combining abilities of genes. So in all the characters will have genes on the chromosomes, and when specific combining ability of alternative genes is good, is more specific combining ability variance is good, then heterosis is more. So specific combining ability variance must be more, then heterosis will be more. If a single character have several alternative alleles for a single character, then heterosis is more when the difference of character between the allele is more. Means one allele must be more dominant and one allele must be more recessive. If the dominant recessive status of that both allele have more variance, then it will have more specific combining ability variance and heterosis of that parents developed by that parents will be more. So male and female parent must have more specific combining ability variance between alleles of that character. Then sixth is effect of heterozygosity. If the parents which are used for developing hybrids have more heterozygosity, then heterosis will be more. Quantity of heterosis will be more. If the heterozygosity is more between both the parents. In self-pollinated crops, heterosis is less. But in cross-pollinated crops, heterozygosity is more. That's why heterosis will also be more. In cross-pollinated crops, in every generation, pollens from different varieties may fall on the crop. And so heterozygosity is developed in cross-pollinated crops. And when these cross-pollinated crops are crossed with each other to develop a hybrid, then heterosis will be more because heterozygosity in the parent is more. Then seventh character, heterosis means in the formation of hybrid variety. Recessive genes are automatically deleted. They are concealed. Each recessive gene is covered by one dominant gene, one dominant allele. So every recessive allele, their character is covered by the character of dominant allele, and dominant allele will express its character. So all dominant alleles from both the parents are present in F1 generation, and these dominant alleles are expressed in F1 generation. So it will conceal the effect of recessive alleles. So effect of recessive allele is covered by the dominant effect of dominant allele of each and every character. Then character number 8, heterosis is having low frequency. Out of thousands and hundreds of crosses, only few crosses will show the desirable heterosis, which is useful to mankind. So, out of hundreds of crosses, only few crosses will bring the desirable heterosis, which is useful for mankind. So, heterosis is having low frequency. So, these are the 8 characters of heterosis. Superiority over parents. F1 will have is always superior over both the parents. Then second is heterosis is shown in only F1 generation. In other generations, these characters are randomly going in different individuals in F2 and F3 generations. So these characters segregate randomly in different individuals in F2 and F3 generations. Then genetic control of heterosis. Heterosis is controlled by nuclear genes at the most. But in some cases, heterosis is controlled by interaction of nuclear genes and cytoplasmic genes. Then heterosis, once it is identified and produced, then it is reproducible. It can be produced again and again. Then character fifth, it is associated with heterosis is associated with specific combining ability variants of the genes of both the parents. Then effect of heterozygosity. If heterozygosity is more in the parents, then F1 hybrid will show more heterosis. Heterozygosity must be more in parents, so F1 generation will have more heterosis. Then in heterosis, all the recessive genes, recessive alleles, are covered by the dominant effect of dominant allele of each and every character. And heterosis is having low frequency, means a few heterosis are good and having desirable output, or our desirable characters come in few heterosis process. Then how heterosis works, how this heterosis comes in F1 generation. So there are two theories how heterosis comes in F1 generation. So first is dominance hypothesis and second is over dominance hypothesis. So these are the two theories